good morning මගේ පුතාලා දුවලා හැමෝටම. දැන් ඉතින් ඉස්කෝලේ එන්නේ නැති හින්දා සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන් ගොඩක් වෙලා නේද? ඒ සෙල්ලම් කළොත් විතරක් පුළුවන්ද ස්කූල් යන්න? ලොකෝ ස්කූල් එකට යන්න ඕනේ අපිට. පොත්වල වැඩක් කරන්න ඕනේ ටීචර්ට ආදරේ නේද? දැන් ටීචර්ට නම් හරි දුකයි මේ දවස් ටිකේ පුතාලා බලන්න නැති හින්දා. ඒ වුණාට දැන් වීඩියෝ එකෙන් පේනවනේ. ටීචර් කියන විදිහට අපි වැඩ කරමු. නේද? ආසයි නේද වැඩ කරන්න? බලමු කවුද හපනෙක් ඉන්නේ කියලා. Who can read these letters? We'll see. Say loudly. A. What is this sound? A. This one? B. What is this sound? B. Very good. What is this sound? K. K. D. A. F. G. H. This one sound E. Finally we have done this letter. E sound, I letter, H, G, F, A, D, K, B, A. I think now all you can say even 2 by 2 words starting from these sounds. No, can you? A for apple. B for ball. K for cat. D for duck. A for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. E for insect or igloo. Then today I want to teach another new sound for you. Now see. This sound is J. What is this sound? J. I can't hear. Say loudly what is this sound? J. What is this sound? J. Can you guess what are the pictures start from J? J. J. Who is this? Jellyfish. Who is this? Jellyfish. Where lives jellyfish? Have you seen this? It lives in the sea. J for jellyfish. Who is this? Say loudly. J for jellyfish. Wow. What is this one? J for jug. J for jug. What is this? J for jug. The next one. Who is this? Grrr. J for jaguar. Who is this? Jaguar. It lives in the jungle. It is a wild animal. Is this one? Already we have made. Can you remember? J for jet. What is this one? J for jet. J for jet. Next one. We can eat this with bread. J for jam. What is this? J for jam. J for jam. Who is this? J for joker. Who is this? J for joker. Now, J for jeans. J for jeans. Can you remember what is this sound? J. What is this sound? J. Now I want long answer. Then one time I will read. After that you also read with me. Okay? Now can you remember J sound? See way of this right. Top to bottom. Dot. Start from here. Straight line and little small curve and dot. Can you remember writing way of this J? J. Now I want long answer. Can you remember long answer? Who is this one? This is a jellyfish. Who is this? This is a jellyfish. This is a jug. Who is this? What is this? This is a jug. What is this one? This is a jug. Then who is this? This is a jaguar. Who is this? This is a jaguar. Who is this? This is a jaguar. Then what is this? Here you can see this. You can see it in the sky. What is this? This is a jet. This is a jet. Next one. This is a jam bottle. This is a jam bottle. What is this? This is a jam bottle. Then this one. Who is this? This is a joker. Who is this? This is a joker. Who is this? This is a joker. What is this? This is jeans. This is pair of jeans. Jeans. Already you also have jeans, huh? Okay. Now can you remember? Again, can you say only one time? Can you remember? J. This is a jellyfish. This is Jane. This is a joker. This is a jam bottle. This is a jet. This is a jaguar. This is a jug. Then there is small work. See, do you like color? Yeah, see this J sound. First of all, color this J sound. J for jug, J for jellyfish, J for jet, J for jam bottle. Take color pencils and color nicely and read. You can teach to Yummy. Now see what is the next one. Here you have traced again J sound, J for jellyfish, J for jug, and trace 2 times. 2 by 2 times you should have trace on the letter. Next one. There is a small work. This one is a jam bottle. Can you ask from Mummy some of coconut dust? And then take coconut dust and color it. Then you can make yellow color using turmeric. කහ ටිකක් දාලා පුතාලට yellow color හදාගන්න පුළුවන්. Then to turmeric put some kind of we call හුණු. චුට්ටක් දාලා mix කරගෙන red, green, or otherwise if you have watercolors, then mix and make 2 or 3 colors and paste it. I like to see very nice jam bottle. Okay. Now start this work also. And our familiar works. Color J sound, color jellyfish and jug. Trace 2 times J letter. Then not only that, in this book also. J. J for jug. Trace this nicely. I think පුතාලට දැන් ලස්සනට ලියන්න පුළුවන්, පාට කරන්න පුළුවන්, trace කරන්න පුළුවන්, හපනෝ නේද? ලොකු ඉස්කෝලේ ගියාම ටීචර් හයි wow මගේ පුතාට ලස්සනට ලියන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. එහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන් කියලා ටීචර් කියන්නේ අපි මොකක් කරොත්ද? we have practice වෙලා අපි ලස්සනට practice වෙන්න ඕනේ. ටීචර් කියන විදිහට 2 times trace කරන්න ඕනේ. No, without going outside from the border can you have color එළියට යන්න නැතුව නේද? Then color nicely, trace nicely, read the pictures nicely. Then I will come to check those things to your home, or when you come to the classroom I can check.